Hi, welcome dear student to fifth video of chapter 8. Today I'm going to explain about rules for writing HTML code. I hope all of you are in a good health and previous class I explained about the structure of the HTML document, head section, content, container tags, empty tags. Now let us discuss one by one the rules for writing HTML. But before going HTML tags, all of you are familiar with the HTML opening and closing tag. And once we write this within the HTML editor, this tells the browser that the following document is an HTML file. Right? A body section, the main content of the page is placed within the body text. So we can place here the text, image, links, tables, audio, video. Yes. And we already explained about the we already discussed about the basic structure of HTML document and the largest heading, and this one is the smallest heading. Also, the attribute, the special keyword used inside the tag to specify additional information. So if you want to change the alignment, so we can use here the align and value, that is the left, right, or center. The rules for writing is very important when you're going to write the HTML. Must consider points. First of all, can write elements name in upper or lower case as they are not case sensitive. So here this is a small letter of P and this is a capital letter. So HTML does not distinguish between the uppercase and lowercase. Okay, but it is preferred, it is better recommended to use the small letters. Okay, so for example, small p and capital P. So we can write elements name upper or lower case as they are not. This is not a case sensitive. Means can write the uppercase or the lower case of the English alphabet, capital letter or a small letter. Okay. Next one, can also write attributes name in upper or lower case as they also not case sensitive. For example, here HR for the horizontal rule. When we want to draw a line between the line horizontally, and here's the size. So HR for horizontal is and size we can define here 5. HR size is equal to 5, or we can write down a small letter HR size. So both are correct, right? Attributes upper or lowercase. We can use uppercase or lowercase. So output, there will be no difference in the output. In the result, can use here the HRS size 5 or a small letter or the capital letter. Okay. Now, attributes values are case sensitive. Take care of them. Attribute values are case sensitive. Take care of them. There should be values means must whenever we do use the values, attributes values must be case sensitive and must be keep in mind when going to write the. There should not be any space between the element name. For example, HR for horizontal row. H, there should not be a space between H and R. It is wrong. So whereas HR, this is the HR, this is the right code. Okay. Next one, rules for write. That is that there should not be a space after and before the angular start and end. This is the whenever we're going to write can be, for example, when you are going to write this bracket less than there for H E A T and a space should not be, should not be, is not should not do such practices. It should not be like this. This is correct. This is correct. There should not be a space between start, before, after, and before the angular less than or greater. Okay. And there can be a space between the tags. There can be a space between the tags. For example, B, make the text bold. Between the text, yes. When we're going to make the text bold, for example, I want to write the text like here, NEHS. So it appears in a bold. If so, we can make the space between after the element. This element we can make the space. We can write down this way. There is not a problem issue. So once, but there should not be a space like this or this. This is wrong. Must keep in mind. Also here, there should not be a space like this and this. There should not be. We can take a space after and before the text. And next one, more than one element can be used in one statement. For example, if you just want to make the text underline and italic, so make the text italic underline, we can write down U, start from U and I here, U for underline, I for italics. So first close I, start with the U, so close with the end of the I. This would be closing tag here, right? U start open and I open, close I with and close U at the end. So this is correct. Whereas U and I, we have started with the underline and italic. Make the text italics underline. After this, U close because and I close. This format is confused. Why? Because we have started first, so it must be and at the end. So there should be U, closing bracket of U should be after italics. So this is the wrong. And first one is the correct. Start, then end, I start and I. Okay. So this is the rule we must follow while we are going to write the HTML code. Hope all of you are able to understand. Thank you, dear students. Bye for now. In the next class.